Things about me. I am 32 years old. I live in Centerville, Utah, in Davis County. I graduated from Utah State University in 2009. This is my 7th year at UT, and I absolutely love it. One of my favorite treats is sugar cookies. I especially love the ones like from Swig or Twisted Sugar, anything like those. And then I love Diet Coke with coconut and lots of extra lime. I love extra lime. A few things I like to do, and I'll show you some pictures in just a second. I love to go camping. I'm going to show you some pictures of my family camping. I love to swim and read. I really love to listen to books. That's one of my favorite things too. I have to cook, and I have a crazy big garden, and I love to play with my kids. So here is a picture of my garden right here. You see my crazy big eyes. You know what? This was taken about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and my garden is double that now. It is huge. It's crazy. So I've had a lot of fun learning about how to really grow a good garden. I used a book this year. So we've got tons and tons and tons and tons of zucchinis. We've got watermelon, cucumbers. We've gotten some tomatoes. We have pumpkins growing like crazy, carrots, potatoes, all sorts of fun things, peppers, onions. I'm super excited to be able to get some of those things and eat them when they're ready. We've already had a lot, but we'll keep on getting more. This is a picture of my family and us camping. We went to Payson Lake and Bear Lake this summer and had so much fun. These pictures were at Payson Lake. Here's my little guy. The little boy over here in the corner is named Eli. He is 5 years old and he's excited for kindergarten this year. We've got in the middle, we've got my little girl named Cambry. She is 3 years old and she loves to be a princess. She loves to be beautiful. And then you see my other little girl up in the corner up there. Dirty, dirty, dirty. She loves to be dirty and she loves to make messes. And her name is Kaylee and she is going to be 2 on August 16th. So in just a few days here. My family right here, here's a picture of us at a wedding, my brother's wedding earlier this year. All 3 of us, or I've got 3 kids right here. This is my husband up at the top. And I really love spending time with them. So now that I've told you about me, I want to know more about you. Okay, so I want you to go to this survey right here. It's tinyurl.com/UTVA Smith survey. So go and fill that out. I want to hear from you. I want to know from you. And then just make sure you're there in class on that first day of school, which is the 21st. I'm excited to see you and get to know you. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks so much for watching.